Hi everyone, today we'll be going through our step-by-step facial for your facial kit at home. Today we'll be going through our Brightening Glow Facial. This is the perfect facial to help with pigmentation problems or just overall have a nice glow to our skin. So our first things first, you want to have all your products out that you purchased from the kit. You'll need a bowl, a towel, all of your products of course, and then to help set the mood that you want to feel like you're at the spa, have yourself a little essential oils burning, candles going. If you have a plant, bring it near you. Plants give off a natural high vibration, as well as essential oils will help to have you in a blissful mood for your facial today. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to be doing the compress solution into your water bowl. This is crucial for softening the skin and doing your compresses before you do the actual facial steps. So what you'll do is you'll open this, take about half of the compress solution and put it in your water. Mix it until it is all dissolved. Wish you could smell this. Well, you will smell this once you have it in your facial. And then you'll want to submerge your towel. This should be the first step you do before you start your facial, since the towel wants to absorb all of that compress solution before putting it on your face. Now that the water is set with the compress solution and our towel is submerged, our first step of the facial will be the cleanse. So take out your Quinoa Gentle Cleanser. For the purpose of the video, I'll be using my products that I have at home. So we're gonna pump out the cleanser onto our hand. About 3 to 4 pumps, maybe 5, depending on how big your face is. As weird as it is, that's how you judge how much product you need. So you want to add a little bit of water and massage your hands until you see the foam action happening from the cleanser. And then we're gonna start cleansing our skin. Our cleanse is where we really start to get in touch and in tune with our skin. We see where our problematic areas are. So you want to make sure you're cleansing and getting in touch with your skin. If at any point you need more water, just dip your hand into the bowl and add some. Take a few deep breaths. Really get into the mood that this is your self-care time. Okay, now it's time to remove the cleanser. So we're going to take our towel, wring it out. I suggest doing this in your bathroom. It's much easier that way. Flip your towel over so you can do a double cleanse. We recommend our microfiber towels. The reason being is that they are 200 times thinner than human hair, and they really help to cleanse the skin even further. So this could act as your double cleanse. Okay, next step. Our next step is the compresses. So you'll want to get a fresh towel, and this is where you're going to really get the skin going and prepped for your facial. So really wring it out. You want to make sure your water is pretty warm because this is in step of getting your skin prepped for the facial. So you want to make sure you cover your whole entire face. And press gently but firmly. I know that's kind of an oxymoron, but you don't want to suffocate yourself, but you want to make sure that you're pressing firmly enough to really get the skin prepped for your facial. At Radiance Wellness Spa, we use the same technique of compresses instead of steam. Steam could be very actually harmful for our skin because that extreme heat can really dehydrate and cause more inflammation. What happens with steam, it creates this hot shower effect. I'm trying to do it a different way so I can talk to you because I don't want to be muffled. So it creates this hot shower effect where when the steam is on, our face is nice and open and receiving of nutrients. However, as soon as that steam is shut off, we create this hot shower effect where our skin becomes more sensitive and more dried out. Because these compresses have magnesium and organic sulfur, it keeps the skin nice and fresh and soft throughout the whole entire facial. You want to repeat this process about 5 to 7 times, and if you want to include your neck and chest, please do so. Alright, I'm going to finish off the rest of the compresses off camera. I want to share a few techniques about the compresses with 2 size towels. So if you have our smaller towel, the 12 by 12, once you submerge it into the water and take it out, you'll only have access to the whole towel on your face as such. So you'll want to press on your forehead, press on your jawline, your nose, massage your nose, and then if you can, get your neck in as well. So that's with the smaller towel. If you have our larger 12 by 15 by 27 towel, which is this bigger towel, you can do it a little bit easier. You'll wrap the towel around your chin and you'll flip the towels and you'll have access to breathe. So in this same way, you'll firm the forehead, the jawline, massage your nose, and you have your neck there as well. And if you're including your chest area, I don't have my shirt off for this purpose, but you'll put it on your chest and you can fold it into your shoulders and really get yourself a massage there and on your chest as well. It's really, really relaxing. So those are the steps of how to do the compresses with your towels at home. The next step in this facial is the charcoal microfoliant. This is to really get your skin to have a deep exfoliation and to help detox the skin. So you'll want to apply charcoal microfoliant like you would a mask. So really get your application nice and even. We're not going to tackle the crystals just yet. What you want first to happen with this exfoliant is to really have the enzymes and charcoal to chemically exfoliate your skin, which what that means is that the enzymes will sit on your skin and lift the impurities and eat away at the debris and toxins of your skin. The charcoal will connect with the toxins in your skin and lift them away. Charcoal is used in all different kinds of industries for its detoxifying abilities, such as water filtration. That is one of the ways to help detox your water, is have a charcoal filter. So this works the same way in our skin. It touches the toxins and washes them away. Once this dries up a little bit, it'll take about, I'd say, anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes to dry on your skin. The varying time will be depending on your own skin, which means that if your skin is more dry, it'll harden up faster, and if your skin's more oily or combination, it'll take longer to dry, which is fine. You'll just want to keep an eye out on your skin, see how the product's reacting. You want a tacky consistency. Right now it's too watery for me to get those crystals working onto our skin, so you want to wait a little bit. Once the mask is a little bit more dried up, you'll be able to really work in that physical exfoliation of the microdermabrasion crystals. So in our facials at the spa, we have the microderm machine, which some of you may be familiar with. It's where the crystals are exfoliating our skin with the suction action of a vacuum. So we don't have access to that, and I highly recommend to never ever purchase any of those kinds of machines for at-home use. That is really definitely should be left to the professionals. So this is our own way of having that microdermabrasion exfoliation at home with the crystals inside of this mask. So once we are really working in that exfoliation, I'll show you the process once my skin dries up a little bit. Okay, so now that my skin has dried up a little bit, this is where we're going to activate the physical exfoliation of this triple action microfoliant. So you're going to scrub in circular motions, and this is where you're going to feel that grittiness. It's so satisfying to massage your skin with the crystals on it. If your skin turns red, that's okay. You're really increasing your circulation right now. So there's extra blood flow to the surface of the skin. Don't be afraid that you're going to damage your skin. These are perfectly round crystals that are professional grade, meant for deep exfoliation. There's a lot of worries out there with all different kinds of abrasive scrubs, and there's definitely reason for concern there if those crystals or those pieces are not meant for facial use, such as salt and sugar. Those are asymmetrical, not perfectly round, and they can tear your skin when you're doing this process. This is not the case here, since these are professional grade crystals. Okay, so now we're going to take our microfiber towel and remove the rest. The next step in our facial is our multi-fruit enzyme treatment. Let's see, get that focus for you. You have that in your facial kit, so you can take a look at the name there. So this process is, or this treatment is a professional grade treatment with 60+% of multi-fruit enzymes. This normally is not recommended to be used at home by not a professional esthetician. So this is a special treat for you to be able to have that deep exfoliation at home. So you'll want to apply this on your skin, and it will definitely tingle because you just did a deep exfoliation with the charcoal microfoliant. That is okay. This is really getting deep into your skin to help brighten up any pigmentation, even out any skin tone conditions, as well as give you a nice glow. It's a translucent mask, so you're not going to see it on my face really, but this is the perfect time to use an LED device. If you have one at home, a translucent mask or serums and oils are the perfect gateway for your LED treatment. So LED will help to have its own benefits, but once you have a product on your skin, that product will work just to the next level, because LED brings in ingredients deeper into the skin. So if you have that, go for it. Now lay under your LED. The two brands that we trust the most is the Selema and Lightstem. Okay, once the mask is a little bit tacky, you'll start wanting to roll it all off. This action of pulling and rolling the skin increases more circulation, and it also helps to pull out any extra impurities out of the skin. Now you can remove with a towel with the rest, and we'll be on our next step. Okay, the final steps of the facial. This is one of my favorite parts. Let's be honest, the whole facial is my favorite part, but massage is so crucial to have a good self-love, self-care facial massage. So how we'll be doing that is through our serum and oil. So take your take your Flawless Skin Serum first. Take about 3 pumps and massage it into your skin. This has a fresh pine aroma, which is really nice and refreshing, but it also tingles. It may not tingle when you use it on a nightly basis post your facial, but after just this deep exfoliation, it will definitely tingle. And that's because there are acids in here to help retexture your skin. This is, I would say, our form of a natural retinol. Retinols tend to dry out our skin, so this serum is based in kelp, which is really hydrating and moisturizing for our skin, so it will never dry out your skin. Your next and final product will be the Radiance Skin Oil. This smells heavenly. One of my favorite oils by far. Amazing. So you want to take about, I'd say 3 or 4 pumps, because this is where we're going to be doing our facial massage. So you'll want more oil than you typically would put on just at night. So get it really in your neck, chest, back of your neck, and of course your face. If you want a more detailed facial massage technique, tips and tricks, take a look at our other videos that we have posted, because we really go into depth about the sinuses, our jawline, behind the ears, our lymph nodes. All of that gets covered in our other videos. You want to slow down. Make your movements intentional. So we're gonna get that oil really massaged into our skin. Flawless and Radiant make a good combination for brightening our skin. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial of how to do your Brightening Glow facial at home with your facial kit. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and please tag us once you're doing your facial at home. We would love to see how you're taking care of yourself today. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.